rates Thursday morning, 1:3 is the advanced decline ratio, which is not a very formidable one. Britannia, JSW Steel, Asian Paints, SBI Life. That's the sum total of stocks which are off to a good start. Let me now just give me a second. I'll try and see if I can see some stocks where the volume action is trending up right up there. So Suzlon trending up on volumes, but on the trending down on higher volumes. Piramal, the block deal clearly has been done. The stock is up 1% after that. Yes Bank, Dish TV, Brightcom, the entire penny stock I think is now really flying across. ET now impact while Bombay Dyeing, guess what, higher already. 2% higher for Bombay Dyeing. It is trending up on volumes which are extraordinary higher. 1.9 million shares first thing this Thursday morning for a stock like Bombay Dyeing. Punjab National Bank, downward bias. You've got State Bank of India, which is not going anywhere. Indiabul Housing Finance just up there. And smaller banks, after what happened with IDFC, RBL moved up yesterday and DCB Bank is moving up today. So it's a good start. But if you really have to identify the real star, and I think it's Bombay Dyeing, 3% higher for Bombay Dyeing. Look at the stock, look at the volume. I think for me, that really is the start.
Yeah, Bombay Dyeing has gapped up about almost 4%. Look at what's happening within the rest of the pack as well. And before anything else, I just want to revisit what HDFC Bank is doing and whether or not you're seeing any follow-through selling after the Q1 update. Still mild actually for HDFC Bank. 1669 is where that stock is. What about Eicher Motors? Has the selling resumed over there? The competition in this particular segment from both Hero MotoCorp along with Harley and then Bajaj Auto as well. Eicher Motors still reeling under pressure, 1.5% lower as we speak right now for Eicher. Bajaj and Hero are the other two stocks which will just come off you on your screens. And remember, yesterday there was Motherson as well, which held out with its stake buy into this Japanese company, which is now into sunroofs. So Samvardhana Motherson mildly in the green, but 90.40. So the headline number is not looking bad after that 6.5% move on the stock yesterday. Let's talk about all the other buzzers from today and tell you what they are currently up to. Look at Tata Power. Remember, they've received that order worth about 1744 crore rupees. They're going to be implementing smart metering project in the state of Chhattisgarh. There's Adani Wilmar as well, which has clocked double-digit volume growth of 25% on a year-on-year basis. Adani Wilmar gaps up about almost 1% or so. KEC International, bulk of new orders equating to over 1,000 crore rupees. Look out for that as well. And then Marico on the downside, wherein the consolidated revenue has declined now in low single digits. So that's the other stock which is in focus and currently lower by about almost 1% as we speak right now. There is also news coming in on Ujjivan SFB. The Q1 numbers are looking extremely fantastic. The Q1 disbursals have come in higher by 22%. Deposits have risen 44.5%. This Prestige Estates as well, which is now in a joint venture to develop IT park on a 6.5 acre land in Chennai. So that's another stock which is in focus. And then Biocon as well, which has completed the integration of Viatris biosimilar business in over 70 emerging market countries now. So that's the other one in focus. And what about JSW Steel? They're looking to replace HDFC now in Sensex from July 13th. It is on expected lines, but definitely you will see some fund flows getting adjusted there. JSW Steel 794 is where the stock is right now. But Kunal, consolidation for the Nifty, absolutely flat. Any individual stocks that you look that are looking attractive to trade?
Yeah, consolidation I think should be healthy for the markets because you would probably see a lot of churn within the sector as well as amongst a lot of stocks within their respective sectors. One of the stock which I would believe has reached some sort of an overbought territory would be Maruti. We initiated the buy I think at 9,400-450 mark. So I think now at 10,000 levels approximately, it's a good time to try and book out profits over here and then wait for retracement as well as correction to buy back again or maybe closer to 9750 mark, 9800 levels.
Okay, let's find out what Naresh's take is on the markets. Naresh, just about holding on to the 19,400 mark by the skin of our teeth. What's the outlook in terms of the first trade that you're punching in?
So the markets still look heading into a consolidation, time to be stock specific and still a little more conservative. Looking at a fresh breakout in ICICI Bank, the stock is in touching distance of that 960 mark, which was the previous high. Sustaining about 960 could be a quick move here towards 1,000, 1,050 levels. So a buy on ICICI Bank, keeping a stop loss at 940.
All right, Sanjeev Prasad.